What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello, my name is Danielle. It's very nice to meet you. So today I'm bringing you guys an easy beach hairstyles or for the lake or for the pool video. So excited, and I'm just like, it's such a beautiful day out. I'm going to be showing you guys a couple different easy hairstyles that you can do when you want to look cute at the beach but you don't want to look like you tried too hard. These literally will take you like 30 seconds, a little more, a little less. It's pretty awesome. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe down below and let's get started. I am super into the double braids look right now, so I'm using these super fun, colorful hair ties because, I mean, summer, and these don't leave creases in your hair, so if you want to take the braids out, it doesn't look all crimped and such. So I'm just doing super messy braids. Also, mind you, I didn't have a mirror on the beach with me, but I kind of want the more loose, flowy look, so I would just grab pieces of hair and just do a normal kind of braid, but I would bring pieces from the back, and then I would just tie that off with these cute little hair ties that I got at Walgreens, literally. And then I'm doing the same on the other side. Super chill, not like super tight braids, more loose. But I really like this look, and you can also go for the boxer braids if you want. I don't know how to do those. I wish I could. I always ask my friends to do them for me. But I think this is a super fun look, super beachy, easy. Your hair is not flowing in the wind like crazy. It's a good look. Next, we have the double buns. This might be my favorite look, actually. I don't know why, but it's something different, something new. Kind of Miley Cyrus vibes, but we're going for the lower buns instead. So literally, I'm just taking two hair ties again and just doing the slightest a bit of bun. Like, I'm not like doing anything fancy, just literally pulling my hair in every which way and just making two buns on either side, and it looks really cute. Next, for the boho braid is what I'm calling it. I'm putting on this headband that I love. It's kind of like a head wrap almost, from Free People. They have so many right now, and it just keeps your hair out of your face, which is nice when you're at the beach or at the pool, at the lake. And I'm just doing one simple side braid with 3 different strands of hair. This is definitely a go-to look for me. You look put together, but little do they know it took you less than 30 seconds to do this hair look. Woohoo! I'm definitely into the low ponies right now with a middle part in specific, so I just sleek my hair back and put it in a mid-lower range ponytail and just secure it with an elastic. And I like to pull out the front pieces just a little bit to make it a little bit more casual, but I think it has this very chic vibe and I really, really like it. Next is the half up, half down, but with a braid. So I'm putting my hair in a half up, half down with an elastic once again, and then I'm taking that top ponytail part and just braiding it simply like I have been doing before. I really like braids right now, can you tell? And then I'm securing it with another colorful elastic to add a fun flare to it. And I really like the look. I've never rocked this before, but I just tried it out and I liked it. Lastly, if you want to just take that headband from Free People that I showed you guys earlier, they have them at Forever 21, all kinds of places, and just simply putting your hair back, it gives an instant beachy vibes feel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already. Tell me down below in the comments what your favorite hairstyle was, and I will see you guys next time for my next video.